this is Kalina from Teaching Made Practical. Today I wanted to show you how you can use Wordle to give your students a visual of main idea. If you've never used Wordle before, it's a very easy online tool that generates word clouds like this one using text that you provide. You'll notice in this Wordle that some of the words are bigger than others. The more often a word is mentioned, the bigger it shows up in the Wordle. And just by looking at this Wordle, you should be able to tell that the text this was based off was mainly about the differences between moths and butterflies. Notice moths, butterflies, and differences are the biggest words. You can also see similarities as pretty big as well. So first, let me show you how to create a Wordle. I'm at the website www.wordle.net, and when you click Create, it takes you to this empty box where the text goes. And I'm going to use an article that I have found from Time for Kids. So here's the article. I'm just going to copy all of the words. Copy. And then I'm going to paste that into Wordle. After pasting all of the words, you can click Go, and then it creates a Wordle for you. You'll see that the words that were used most often in the article are bigger than the other words. So how can you use this to teach main idea? Well, in my classroom, I would use it by first reading the article together and then discussing what it's mainly about. Then I would have my students make predictions about what the Wordle should look like. So they would guess what words would be the biggest and what words would be smaller. Then we would check our prediction to see if it was correct. I would also use this to help students see how titles are often good clues as to what the main idea is. You'll see the title of this article is Earthquake Hits Central Italy. And you'll notice in the Wordle that earthquake, Italy, central are some of the biggest words. You can also have students discuss whether or not they agree with the size of some of the words in the Wordle. In this example, I would ask students if they agreed that this word armatrice is as important to the article as Wordle thinks it is. It's one of the bigger words. I'd ask them, are there other words that should be larger or other words that should be smaller? Should August be as big as it is? Should hospital be bigger? And then we would discuss this and use the text and what we know about main idea to defend our reasoning. There are many other educational uses for Wordle, but hopefully this shows you how Wordle can be used to support your teaching of main idea in the classroom.